It can be filled with all sorts of fruits, cookies, and candies, and topped with chocolate chips or Oreos. When it comes to ice cream flavors, these kids know what they want.
You've got ice cream on your nose right now, on your lips, on your cheek, it's everywhere.
At Surfin' Sunday in Monmouth Beach, owners Kevin and Lisa Costello make their own ice cream. It starts with a base mix of cream, sugar, and milk. 6 quarts of that is poured into a bucket.
Then we add in our special flavorings of whatever flavor base we're going to make.
Like vanilla, coffee concentrate, or popcorn for their buttery popcorn ice cream. For this recipe, they add popcorn to the ice cream base, then drain it so they're left with the liquid. Surfin' Sunday doesn't add an exact amount of flavoring to each mix. It all depends on what they're making. After that, it's added to the batch freezer.
The batch freezer is basically what turns that ice cream base, the cream, the milk, and the sugar, into actual ice cream that you'd be eating. So it is a machine that whips air into and freezes at the same time the base.
The whole process takes 5 to 10 minutes.
And then we open up the extractor, and then when it's coming out, that's when we add in any additional toppings that we would add in.
Like Oreos for this coffee Oreo ice cream. The consistency at this point is similar to soft serve ice cream. The 2.5-gallon cart is then placed in the blast freezer for 8 to 10 hours.
That is a freezer that's specially designed for ice cream, and it gets to 40 degrees below zero, which stops the ice cream from crystallizing. It just makes it nice and smooth.
The next morning, the new hard ice cream thaws out for a few minutes. Then it's ready for eager customers.
It's so good.
The year-round business typically makes 20 to 25 flavors a week, including a vegan flavor. Many change depending on the season.
If a customer comes up with a suggestion and we think it'll sell, we go ahead and make that.
When I was a teenager, I used to work at an ice cream shop, so I know a thing or two about making the perfect ice cream cone, but this is a new one for me. Scooping while holding the microphone. Kev, how am I doing so far on this?
Oh, you should quit your job and work here.
Really?
Yeah, good scoop.
Here at Surfin' Sunday, they typically scoop 600 to 800 times a day during the summer months.
The Costellos have to taste test everything over and over again. I decided to try that part of the job. Declan Kelly didn't want a taste test, he got a bowl.
Is that good? You got a little bit on your shirt there.
Like so many other shore businesses, Surfin' Sunday owners depend on sunny skies and hot days. By the looks of it, these kids will gladly order this all year long. In Monmouth Beach, I'm Lauren Wonko, NJTV News.